meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, we are monitoring the tropics as we always do in the hurricane season. We've got one named storm, not a threat to land, that's all the way out here in the North Atlantic, racing at nearly 40 miles per hour away from the U.S. coastline. And then a second area of disturbed weather down the southeastern United States that we're keeping an eye on. So tropical storm Edouard is again moving away. It is not going to threaten the U.S. coastline. Keeping an eye on this system across the northeastern Gulf of Mexico. Not expected to do any developing really in the next couple of days, but by the middle or end of the week, it'll be off of the Carolina coastline, and from there, conditions could become a little more conducive for some late week development, and the impacts could bring in some surf, some higher surf, as well as some increased rain chances by Friday or Saturday of this week. Outside right now, there's no rain on live Doppler radar. We'll keep our threat tracker in the green today. We are keeping an eye out for just a small chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm towards the evening hours, and Tuesday's threat tracker is low. Wednesday do have a better chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm in the late afternoon and evening. It's been a mix of clouds and sunshine through the morning in North Scituate, but mainly cloudy skies from Providence and points east. Newport with some sun and clouds mixing. No rain on the radar. Dew points have been falling some, but still on the sticky side in the middle 60s right now. As far as the severe thunderstorm threat goes, it's really more towards the mid-Atlantic region than it is here in southern New England, but especially the further west that you go, the higher the chances are of seeing one of those isolated storms today. We'll call it partly sunny in the afternoon. The cloudiness that's been hovering over places like Providence, East Providence, New Bedford, Fall River should break for some partial sunshine with afternoon highs in the lower 80s. At the beaches, upper 70s this afternoon. Mainly sunny, small chance of that thunderstorm. Water temperatures in the upper 60s with the surf 2 to 3 feet. It's been brighter down at the shore than inland spots today on the bay. We're looking at a good visibility, 8 to 10 miles. High tide was early this morning. We've got another high tide at 10:50 tonight. Low tide coming up at 2:39 this afternoon. So this cold front has made its way through. Winds have turned to the north and east, and you can see the extra clouds that are hanging around eastern New England, Boston to Cape Cod. Those clouds gradually thinning out through the afternoon hours, and notice it's still dry at 3 o'clock with just an isolated shower trying to pop up in a couple of spots here across western New England during the late evening and first part of the night. As those fizzle out after the sun goes down, we're looking at a mix of clouds and moonlight tonight with a little bit of patchy coastal fog first thing Tuesday morning. Then Tuesday, we will be seeing some increasing clouds again. The temperatures this evening starting in the middle 70s at 7 o'clock, cooling to the middle 60s. It will be a few degrees cooler tomorrow morning than what we woke up to today, which was pretty stifling, 70 degrees, high humidity, but tomorrow morning, more like the lower 60s. High temperatures in the upper 70s tomorrow afternoon. Pop-up shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon on Wednesday. It's a humid day, and that's just the start. We've got a stretch of high humidity for Thursday and Friday. Temperatures in the mid and upper 80s with the rain chances again possibly from that tropical system sometime Friday into Saturday. Still a lot of details to work out. Timing's just one piece of it. We'll be keeping you updated as new information comes in throughout the week. You can